Hello friends, want to prepare a simple and tasty sweet with bread? Then you're at the right place. Let's start cooking. Ingredients required: bread, boiled milk and sugar. Cut the brown part of the bread like this. Now chop the bread into 4 pieces. Smash the bread into tiny pieces. Now it's time to add the milk. Knead the bread with milk completely. Apply some oil to your hands and roll them into small spears. Take some water in a vessel and add 1 cup of sugar to it. Wait until the sugar completely dissolves in the water. Now let's add the bread rolls into the vessel. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off the stove and let it cool for a few minutes. Now it's ready for serving. Like the video, comment down your experience, share the video with your friends and family. We'll meet you with another recipe. Bye bye, take care.